How to remove phone number from YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your phone number from your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, removing phone number from YouTube channel means that your YouTube channel comes from your YouTube account and your YouTube account comes from your Google account. So you have to remove the phone number from your Google account itself. And in order to do this, go to youtube.com, click on your YouTube profile from the top right, then go to this option that says manage Google account. Once you go to Google account option, you will see this type of interface. On the left hand side, you want to simply come to the security tab over here, or maybe personal info tab. So here you can come to security and you can see your phone number that you've added. So you can simply go ahead and then remove those phone numbers, or you can also simply go to personal info tab. Then here you'll find your respective phone numbers. You can simply go ahead and then remove these phone numbers. This way you can go ahead and then basically remove phone number from YouTube channel. But as I said, you have to remove the phone number from your Google account. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.